Moving to another country is exciting, but excitement without preparation becomes stress. Ed, as someone from the United States who has spent real time in Portugal and experienced daily life here beyond tourism, I'd really value your perspective. Many people dream about moving to Portugal. They fall in love with the lifestyle, the weather, the safety, the culture. But when it comes to the practical side, housing, healthcare, residency, banking, utilities, internet, understanding how things actually work, they suddenly feel overwhelmed. It's not the dream that scares them. It's the uncertainty. If someone had access to clear, practical guides that bring all this information together in one place, explaining the real cost of living, how to set up essential services, how to navigate Portuguese bureaucracy, and how to adapt more smoothly to daily life here. How helpful do you think that would be for someone seriously planning to move to Portugal?
Would have been enormously helpful to me as I started to consider to move to Portugal. Unfortunately, I didn't seem to get that guidance from the people that I was working with on immigration. And so it is essentially important for people to do their research, and to have concise guides is a real advantage.
Thank you, Ed. I truly value your perspective.